Hello guys. Today I was on flea market and bought another unit, this CD player from 80s, Marantz compact disc player CD-50. Let's check the condition, switch it on and see what's inside. Open the case and see what's inside. I believe it should be very interesting. So okay, let's connect to my amplifier. You can see the video on my YouTube channel. This is Yamaha RX 397, and my speakers are ISW Cantius 6. Very good speakers from 25 Hertz, the lower bass. So okay, let's switch it on. Let's turn it on. Wow, VFT display, very nice. Open. Doesn't work. What's wrong? Okay, so need to open this one. Let's check what's here, what's inside. Transformer, CD mechanism. Oh guys, TDA 1541A. Wow, one of the best DAC of 80s, and a lot of people thinking that until now. Oh, very nice. SAA 7220. As far as I remember, this is a digital filter. And what's this? SC 409015. I don't know what is this. Maybe CPU. Capacitors looks like Nichicon. Yes, capacitors Nichicon Muse. Wow. For pump and 5532. Both of pump. Okay, let's check what happens. Maybe something wrong with this rubber belt. Okay, let's turn on again. Ой-ой-ой. Ого. Oh. Now works okay. Yeah, look. Okay, very good. Okay, let's put CD. Let's check again. Okay, open. Okay, and put CD. Let's put CD. Michael Jackson, as usual. Close. What we'll see. Oh, very fast reading. For 80s, very fast reading. Wow, guys, it works. Guys, it really works. Very nice. And sounds pretty nice, you know? Pretty good player. I like it. Really, I like it. I like it. Works very nice. If I correct remember, the worst is reading usually the last tracks. Finish, end one. Yeah, very nice. Very good. I like it. I like it. Sounds very nice. Look guys, I found using program EIR code finder and choose Marantz CD-50 and look guys. Infrared control works. Very nice. Okay, let's check again. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Oh, I forgot to switch on. Yeah, works right channel and left channel. Yeah, very good. Very good. Okay guys, bye bye, see you next time. That's all.